Hello everybody, my name is Ashley Mattingly, and I'm going to be taking you through a series of videos where we review basic compounding technique. In this video, we're going to be preparing a combination capsule that contains chlorpheniramine, ephedrine, acetaminophen, and lactose in a size 0 capsule. First, I'm going to weigh out 350 milligrams of ephedrine and 3,500 milligrams of acetaminophen. Now that I have my ephedrine and acetaminophen weighed out, next I'm going to weigh my chlorpheniramine. Since my source of chlorpheniramine is a 4 milligram tablet and I calculated that I needed 42 milligrams of chlorpheniramine or 10.5 tablets, I'm going to weigh 11 tablets and then calculate how much of the resultant tablet powder I need to weigh in order to obtain the desired 42 milligrams of chlorpheniramine. So I found that 11 tablets weighs 2.221 grams, so now I can find the average weight of one tablet to be 0.202 grams or 202 milligrams. Now, using the average weight of the 4 milligram tablet, I can now calculate out how much tablet powder is needed to contain the desired 3 milligrams of chlorpheniramine. And so that calculates out to be 151.5 milligrams. And so this is the amount of tablet powder that will be in each capsule. Now, since I originally calculated that I needed 42 milligrams of chlorpheniramine, or 10.5 tablets, I now need to calculate how much of the tablet powder I need to weigh that will contain that desired 42 milligrams of chlorpheniramine. And so that calculates out to be 2,121 milligrams, and so that's the amount of the tablet powder that I'm actually going to weigh and use in order to compound this prescription. So now I can crush up all 11 of my chlorpheniramine tablets and then weigh out my 2,121 milligrams of that resultant powder. So now I can calculate out how much lactose is needed. So since my target powder fill weight is 455 milligrams, I can subtract out each one of my active ingredients. So I have 25 milligrams of ephedrine, 250 milligrams of acetaminophen, and 151.5 milligrams of chlorpheniramine per capsule. So I need 28.5 milligrams of lactose per capsule. And since I'm making 14 capsules, I need to weigh out 399 milligrams of lactose. So now that I have all of my ingredients weighed out, I'm going to combine them together using geometric dilution with trituration. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of my lactose first in order to fill in any cracks or crevices that may be present inside of my glass mortar. Now that I have all of my powder ingredients combined together, I'm going to transfer all of my powder over to my ointment slab. Now I'm going to weigh out my 12 size 0 capsules and find the average weight of the size 0 capsule and then add that to the 455 milligrams that's my target powder fill weight in order to calculate out what my final target weight should be for each one of my capsules. So since 12 capsules weighs 1.158 grams, I can then calculate out that the average weight of one size 0 capsule is about 96.5 milligrams. So using that, I can add that to the 455 milligrams, that's my powder fill weight, to then calculate out my target range for each one of my capsules to be 497 milligrams to 607 milligrams. So now I'm going to block the powder bed and I'm going to hand punch each one of my capsules to my target fill weight. Once I have the capsule body completely full with powder, you lightly place the cap on top of the body, and then we're going to weigh the capsule to see if it falls within our desired range. Since the capsule is a little bit outside of our desired range, I can take the cap back off of the capsule and then lightly squeeze the capsule body between my thumb and my forefinger in order to get a little bit of the powder to come back out. And then I can place the cap back on the capsule body and reweigh the capsule to see if it's now within my desired range. Now that the capsule is within my desired target range, I can lock the capsule and then reblock the powder bed and continue punching the remaining capsules.